Good morning, students. As we are continuing the case study that is sheep rearing in Australia, and we already come to know about the sheep station. Now we are starting the management of a sheep station. Management practices vary according to the location of the station and the season being experienced. For instance, drought necessitates decisions concerning the sale of stock or provision of supplementary feeding. What it means that the management work of sheep station depends on the location, means in which area it is located and what is the season. For example, if during the drought period they either sell the stock or provide them extra feeding to make them alive. Routine procedures include supervising, crutching, matting, shearing, treating of for ticks, lice and maggots if necessary, lambing and lamb marking. Lambs are weaned at about 5 months of age. Drenching for internal parasites is an important routine on a sheep station. It means that the another work of management in which they have to do in their routine work are with supervising. Supervising means to observe it, to check it. Crutching, it is the process to remove the wool from around the tail and between the legs of a sheep for the hygienic purpose, and also sometimes from the head of the sheep. Matting is the procedure that animals come together to breed. Shearing, cutting of wool from the sheep body. Treating for ticks, just to make a mark on it according to their breed or the quality. Maggots. Maggots means sometimes the sheep are infected by a number of species of flies are there. So they are influenced by them and get infected. So it is also to check them. Then lambing and lamb marking. Lambing is to take care of lamb, the sheep baby, and to mark them according to their quality or the category from the in which category they belong. Drenching for internal parasite is another important routine on the sheep station. Thus, that is drenching means to soak them. Other activities include rambine and classing the sheep in order to determine the inferior types that are to be culled. Other activities include that the sheep according to the quality, to classify the sheep according to the quality from the inferior to the superior. All the work is done by the management group. Next is the shepherds in Australia. Who are shepherds? Shepherds are the person who are engaged to look after the sheep on the farm and to take them to graze on the meadows, to take care of the sheep. So what their role in the shearing of sheep we come to know. Here it is a little lengthy part. Instead of reading, going to give the summary of it, as if I read and explain, it will make you feel little bored. So, giving you summary in short. The role of shepherds in Australia is that they play an very important role. They are the wage earners. They get the money for that what they do the work and paid for it. Their duty is to watch the sheep. They also lived not in their own along with their family in their society. They are the nomadas nature wise. And mainly the work of shepherd is given to a male person who is not having his children. And where if new shepherd is required to be appointed, then it is taken from the farmer's family who are basically occupation wise farmer, but they don't have their own agricultural land. So from their family the younger son is appointed as a shepherd. Then they normally work in the group. They would live in small cabins and often shared with their sheep. They lived in a covered wagons. Wagon is a vehicle which is used to transport the good from one place to another place. So they sometimes they travel from that wagon. Now we can come to know that the raising of sheep was confined to rugged and mountainous areas. Especially, we will find that sheep rearing is mainly done in the mountain area where the surface is little rugged, means uneven, not smooth. Shepherds were employed to keep the sheep away from the animals that may can attack. Some animals are there, that the Australian dog is there, which is named as dingo, and the wedge-tailed eagles are there. So their duty is also to check it that they are not attacked by those animals. Then they watched the sheep generally during the daytime. The shepherd look after the sheep, and during the night the hut keeper are there. Shepherd took the sheep for grazing before the sunrise, and then when he returned along with the sheep, after that it is the duty of the hut keeper to look after the sheep. And time to there also the dogs are there, the trained dogs are there, who are chained or tied up in a chain nearby the shade, and they check the danger, if any kind of danger is there to the sheep. Now a period come in 1890s. During that period there was a scarcity or lack of the shepherds were there, as most of the youngsters were interested to join or get appointed in the gold fields. So there was a shortage, but soon it was recovered. The sheep station is divided into paddocks. Paddocks means that the field where the sheep are kept, which is enclosed by the sheep, means the person are engaged to check it. They just take a round of the sheep station, or the where the sheep are there, the shade is there. So they take a round and check it, that whether they are, from the safety point of view, whether they are safe or not. So they take their round on motorcycles or on jeep, as well as sometimes they use the horse by on the horseback. Now what happens, sometimes they leave the, when rainfall is less, they leave the pasture or paddocks as it is empty, that they allow the grass to graze or to grow again. Sorry, the grass, they leave the paddocks empty to allow the grass to grow again. So this all work is done by the shepherds. That is the duty of the shepherd. Now here, up to here we have completed, and in next class we will start from modern times and continue it. Till then, have a good day. Thank you.